Hey, what's up everyone? This is Line. You're watching Learn with Line. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the size of a page in InDesign. So, as you can see, the page currently is a little too big for my design. So I've got all this extra white space. The way you want to change is you want to click on Edit Page, and then just click and drag the handlebars. But as you can see, that doesn't work either. The thing that you got to do in order to change the size of a page in InDesign is you want to hold the Alt key and then click and drag your handlebars to your content. And as you can see, it's working. So just keep changing that by holding the Alt key, and there you are. We've changed the size of a page to meet your design's size in InDesign. I hope that helps you with your changing of your page size. And if it did help you, please subscribe and click the like button. Thanks for watching Learn with Line. This is Line. See you in the next video.